Hello friends, today we will discuss GDP deflator. The GDP deflator is an economic metric which shows the change in the price of all goods and services which are included in gross domestic product or GDP over time. It reflects inflation or deflation in economy. It helps in converting nominal GDP, which is measured by using current prices, into real GDP, which is measured using base year prices, so that we can understand real economic growth. The formula for GDP deflator is GDP deflator is equal to nominal. We will understand with an example. Here, nominal GDP is given in crore rupees. So here is 2024. Nominal GDP is 1200 rupees crore and real GDP is rupees 100 crore. So GDP deflator will be calculated like this. GDP deflator is equal to nominal. So it can be interpreted like this. Prices increased by 20% from the base year to 2024. So inflation is 20%. Second example where the case is of deflation. Here is 2025 and so GDP deflator formula will be GDP deflator is equal to nominal. So GDP deflator will be here 950. So 95% interpretation here is that price is decreased by 5% as compared to base year. So this is an example of deflation. So GDP deflator covers all goods and services produced inside the country or domestically. It changes each year, unlike CPI, which is Consumer Price Index, which uses a fixed basket. A deflator greater than 100, a deflator less than 100 is equal to deflation. And if a deflator is equal to 100, there is no price change.